Moran Experiential Hub also has a voting feature. Let me show you how this works. So you click the button here, go to the 3 lines, and you'll come across this menu button here that is known as Poll Kit. So as soon as you open that, here it gives you an option of how many options you want to select as part of the questions. So let's say you want to have 3 options, or you want to allow the person to vote multiple times. This depends on how you want to initiate the voting process. So you go to Advanced, take your phone, scan the QR code. So upon scanning the QR code, you will receive the menu which allows you to set the questions. So now I set the question, let's say, is Moran a good brand? And then just write your options, yes, no, or maybe say not sure. And then what you do is you initiate your voting. So as soon as you initiate your voting, the voting has been started. So for your team members to start voting, what they have to do is scan the QR code. Now they'll have all the questionnaires that you prepared on their phone. So as you can see here, the web page is opening, and I'll be having all the questions that were prepared on my phone. Here are the questions. So it's asking me, is Moran a good brand? So you either select yes. So here you need to write the name of the person who is voting, but you can actually disable this feature and have something that's open and you don't want to actually know the name of the person, and then submit. So now you have to submit. So as soon as you submit, your vote has been casted. So now let's see the results. As soon as you click the create the results, you will now see the results here in form of a pie chart. So if there was a no, you'd see a no. And in terms of the histogram, you'll see how many said yes, how many said no, how many were not sure, and how many said maybe. But now taking this further, what you can do is insert the voting results into whiteboard. So as soon as you come into the whiteboard, you will see your result appear in the whiteboard. Now you can also edit or work around with your results. So you can highlight the pen tool as usual, and then you can come and highlight the items you want to highlight. You can also add shapes into this. You can also write. And then, as usual, if you want to share the file with your colleagues, what you can do is come to this button here, share. It will generate a QR code on this side here, and then your team members can come and scan the QR code and have the voting results or the edited document on their phones.